Watch this video if you're interested in the latest Galaxy S10 renders, live leaks, and more. At this stage, we're only 10 days away from the Samsung Unpacked event on the 20th of February. And during my absence, that was thankfully less than 2 months long this time, we got even more interesting leaks, live images, and even the official press renders. This was a teaser Samsung released earlier. Let's start with these live images of the regular S10 and the Plus. Both have curved displays and triple cameras at the back. The regular S10 is smaller with only one punch hole front camera, while the Plus has the dual front camera module. The bezels are minimal on the sides, very thin at the top, and a little wider at the bottom. You can see the earpiece embedded in the top bezel, so no sound on glass technology this time. But we have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner embedded in the lower portion of the display. You can see its animation here. The Bixby button is still present as well, and of course the 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's talk a little bit about the bottom bezel since it's a controversial issue. Well, the reason it looks so big is the absence of bezels at the side. When you compare it to something like the iPhone XS Max, it's only 0.3mm wider. Here is a comparison with the Huawei Mate 20, Mate 20 Pro, and the XS Max, and here is your 0.3mm. It's basically nothing. So yeah, this design looks really good in my opinion. I wish the bottom bezel was a tiny bit smaller to achieve symmetry with the top, but I can get used to this. Leave a comment telling me what you think. Now when we talk about the S10e or the iPhone XR competitor, things are a bit different. First of all, the E doesn't stand for light. You can't call a phone that has the latest specs light by any means. Instead, it probably stands for essential, since, you know, it has the essentials. So what's different? Well, you only get dual real cameras and only one front camera. You also get a flat display if you're into flat displays. And you lose the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, and instead you get a capacitive one on the power button that is bigger now on this particular model to read a good portion of your finger. Well, I honestly thought it will be the optical in-display fingerprint scanner with the S10e, but I guess it's better to stay away from the optical fingerprint scanners, as they are inconvenient. You also get more symmetry all over the phone, except, you guessed it, the bottom. It looks even wider than the regular S10. The side bezels will hide it a bit, so it won't be a huge deal either. Look, on the bright side, the camera hole is so small, at only about 5mm, and gives the phone a futuristic look. Here are more renders. And let's move on to the rest of the leaks. The S10 will have excellent battery optimization and a more advanced cooling system. So if you combine this with the bigger batteries overall, expect excellent battery lives with these phones. The top version of the S10 Plus could have the newly released flash internal storage of 1TB. This will really help if you like to film a lot of 4K video and download movies. It will be a really fast memory as well. And finally, some rumors say the S10 5G, that will be a separate model, will have a 5000 mAh battery. So yeah, massive. So that's all for today. I wasn't at home the past days, that's why I haven't uploaded, but now I'm back. So expect regular updates from now on, but you have to subscribe first and turn on the notifications bell to receive them. Thanks for watching, leave a like if you liked it, and I'll see you soon.